Hi there. Today's story is called The Unstoppable Dreamer. It's about a young person with big dreams who never gives up, no matter how tough life gets. This story will teach you new English words, phrases, and life lessons along the way. Are you ready to get inspired and improve your English? Let's dive in. The beginning. In a small town, there lived a boy named Alex. Alex was 17 years old and lived with his family in a tiny house. The town was quiet, and most people were farmers. But Alex was different. He didn't want to be a farmer like his parents. Alex had a dream. He wanted to become an engineer and build tall bridges that connected cities. He loved looking at pictures of bridges in books. He even made small bridge models from sticks and glue. Whenever he saw the car crossing the town's only bridge, he would say, "One day, I'll build something bigger and better than this." But dreams aren't easy. Alex's family didn't have much money. His father said, "Alex, we can't afford to send you to college. Engineers need education, and it's expensive." His mother added, "We need you here to help with the farm." Alex felt sad but didn't give up. At night, after working on the farm, Alex would study on his own. He borrowed books from the school library about physics and engineering. He didn't always understand them, but he kept trying. He often thought to himself, "If I don't take the first step, how will I ever reach my goal?" One day, Alex met Mr. Carter, an old engineer who had retired in the town. Mr. Carter saw Alex's small bridge models and was impressed. He said, "Alex, these are amazing. You have real talent." Alex replied, "Thank you, but I don't know how to become an engineer. My family can't afford college." Mr. Carter smiled and said, "Money is important, but passion is priceless. I'll help you learn. Come to my house every weekend, and I'll teach you what I know." From that day on, Alex spent his weekends learning from Mr. Carter. He learned about balance, tension, and materials, everything needed to build strong bridges. One summer, the town faced a disaster. The small bridge connecting the town to the market broke after a big storm. Farmers couldn't take their goods to sell, and people were worried. Alex saw this as his chance. He said to Mr. Carter, "Let us build a new bridge together." Mr. Carter agreed, and they began planning. But building a bridge was not easy. They needed wood, nails, and ropes, but the town had very little money. Alex didn't give up. He went door to door asking for help. He told the townspeople, "If we work together, we can rebuild this bridge and make our town strong again." Soon, everyone joined in. Farmers brought wood. The carpenter gave them tools. Even Alex's parents helped by cooking meals for the workers. Day by day, the bridge started taking shape. Alex worked harder than anyone else. Even when he was tired, he kept going. He kept saying, "I will not stop until this bridge is finished." After 2 months of hard work, the bridge was complete. It was strong, beautiful, and even better than the old one. When the bridge opened, the whole town celebrated. People cheered for Alex and Mr. Carter. A journalist from the city heard about Alex's work and came to write a story about him. The article said, "Young boy builds bridge and unites a town." A week later, Alex received a letter. It was from a big engineering college in the city. The letter said, "We are impressed by your skills and determination. We want to offer you a scholarship to study engineering." Alex couldn't believe it. His dream was finally coming true. Alex moved to the city to study engineering. At first, it was hard. The classes were difficult, and Alex felt out of place. Most of the students came from rich families and had the best books and tools. But Alex remembered what Mr. Carter had taught him: passion and hard work are more important than anything else. So, Alex worked twice as hard as everyone else. He stayed up late studying and asked questions whenever he didn't understand something. Slowly, he became one of the top students in his class. After graduating, Alex got a job at a big engineering company. His first project was to design a bridge for a small village. Alex smiled and thought, "This reminds me of my town." He poured his heart into the project. When the bridge was completed, it wasn't just strong and functional, it was a work of art. People called it the Dreamer's Bridge. Alex's journey shows us something important. Dreams are never too big. Challenges will come, but they make us stronger. With hard work and the right help, we can achieve anything. Alex started as a boy with a dream and became a man who changed lives. Here are some new words from the story. Ambition, a strong desire to achieve something. Engineer, a person who designs and builds things like bridges or machines. Scholarship, money given to a student to help pay for education. Tension, a force that pulls something tight. Determination, not giving up, even when things are hard. Did you enjoy Alex's story? What was your favorite part? Let me know in the comments. And remember, you can learn English and chase your dreams at the same time. Keep practicing, and don't stop dreaming.